This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to order a replacement Chime card. If you've misplaced your card or it's been damaged, don't worry. The process to get a new one is straightforward. I'll guide you through each step, ensuring you can follow along with ease. First, you'll want to open the Chime app on your mobile device. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll notice a menu at the bottom of your screen. Tap on the Profile option to continue. As you enter the Profile section, scroll down until you find the Cards option. This is where all your card-related information is stored. Tap on it, and you should see your debit card displayed on the screen. Now, you'll want to look for an option that says Replace Card or Order a New Card. It's designed to be user-friendly, so it should be easy to locate. When you tap on this option, the app will prompt you to choose a reason for the replacement. You'll see choices like lost, stolen, or damaged. Select the one that best fits your situation. It's important to be accurate here, as this helps Chime process your request correctly. Next, you'll need to enter your mailing address. This is crucial because it's where your new card will be sent. Double-check that the address is correct to avoid any potential delivery issues. Once you've confirmed your address, you can proceed to finalize your request. And that's it. Once you've completed these steps, your replacement Chime card will be on its way. The app should give you a confirmation, letting you know that your request has been successfully processed. Keep an eye on your mailbox, as your new card will arrive shortly. Ordering a replacement card can sometimes feel like a hassle, but with the Chime app, it's a quick and painless process. Remember, if you ever run into any issues or need further assistance, Chime's customer support is always there to help. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in getting your replacement card ordered with ease.